What's going on? It's Ballistic. Brandon back with another photo shoot for the musician, the super talented model, songwriter, singer, all that good stuff. But I'm gonna let her introduce herself.
Hey y'all, it's Rich Aura, and I'm here with my guy, my favorite, my go-to photographer, videographer, all that, y'all. We're having an exciting time today. I can't wait for you guys to see everything that's unrolling behind the scenes. I'm so happy that he's doing this, putting these videos up on his YouTube, because he got this, and you know, he knows what he's doing, so anytime I shoot.
That'll help. We're gonna leave that in too. All right, let's go.
Yeah, I'm a fool for you. 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 Yeah.
Alright, so it's 12:30.
I guess right up on the net right here. Maybe get some of those. What up? Oh yeah, don't, yeah, because that thing is dirty. There we go. Check. Cool, cool. Look this way. There you go. Hold that. Hold it like that.
Like this?
Yeah. Look this way. Alright. He's straight.
Baby, 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 baby. Why you trying to drive me crazy? Don't you know that you're the one?
Alright,
Because I don't got the right charger for it.
oh, it's gonna, you're gonna need it later. Gotcha. It's cool. Hold that, hold it. Bring that other arm somewhere else. Somewhere, there we go. Ain't got no exacts. Alright. Trying to, yeah, get to the blue. And these wider shots, like full body. So these like full body. Don't hurt yourself.
I'm just trying to figure out, when I see the models, they be like, you know.
Oh, just doing stuff, yeah.
So I'm like, okay.
We can get to it.
Let me like these models be doing.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and change this lens anyway since we got so much space. All right, cool, cool, cool. Let's go back over, that was dope, but let's go back. And some of the ones I did with the other lens I want to do with this one.
Really, anytime I do a shoot, if somebody got it, somebody watching, and I just be like,
Of course. No, I was about to say, that wasn't you, but one shoot I did at Gresham Park, it was like, we didn't even know, but we finished and it was like applause. But it was, you met her, it was with Risha, the one from the neon thing.
I think I met like two girls who worked with me.
The one from the light, the neon light one. Yeah, the one that was there. But it was like a little girls or boys club right there, and we didn't know, but all the kids was outside like on the thing watching. So it was crazy. There we go though. That's cool. The colors are dope, especially with that white with the color in the back. All right, arms in some. Bring your arms like closer to you. I mean, you was like this, I meant like just in. Yeah, that was out of frame. All right. You know I gotta work on my directions. There we go. Cool. You want to see what we got so far?
Yeah.
I know you do.
I feel like I'm like, they're always gonna look good, honestly.
Yeah, it'd be hard to choose regardless.
Yeah, I love these pictures.
Cool,
Let's
cool,
do like
cool.
some up close, like maybe just glamour.
Yeah, that's why I put this on. It's like a super tight lens. That's where it shines.
Like headshots though.
Oh, like even headshots, like that's where I'm at.
Yeah, or like maybe like this.
I was right there, but
Okay.
it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. When we do that though, you want to have your arms in because it's tight, so either here or somewhere around there. Yeah, that's dope. Yep. Bring the glasses closer. Like maybe front ways. That way, that's cool too, hold on. Yeah, I meant like facing forward, but something like that, anything like that. Just so I could get the color in there, like on the, turn it though. Yeah, but closer. There we go. Be natural though. It looked like you was trying to show me the glasses.
I was like,
Yeah, here you go. But like, even if you hold them at the bottom, oh, I got something to show you. Like, just this way. Yeah, exactly. There we go. Yeah. Cool, cool. Gotta get some of that blue on the ground in there. All right.
okay, let's do something with this one.
Oh, straight on. Bring it up. Do that again. Turn slightly to that way. Try the other way. Yeah. Chin down some. There we go. Cool.
Okay.
All right.
It seems like I done ran out of poses. Okay, these are cute.
That's
Yeah,
what
like
matters.
Those look like real lifestyle-ish.
I like that. And I want to do something more different too, like not like just straight posing, but just like you just chilling and
Okay.
doing random stuff.
Well,
I know you can't get on the ground with that. We need something. Like where?
like maybe you're behind me.
Oh, let's do something with the net. All right, let me get on the edge of it and you come over some, yeah, right there. Bring your arm closer. That's cool too. Put it somewhere else. Put it on the net, but like up more. Yeah. Turn towards me. There you go. Look off that way. Yeah, hold that. That's fire. Do it again. Okay, we got that too. More, turn your head to the left. There you go. Cool. That's it. Just adding the net a little bit, add a little bit more to them.
I like those. But you want me to add to these, you saying?
Huh? No, I'm just saying that was cool. That's what I had in mind. There's so much you could do but can't do as far as being on the ground. And
I was gonna say, how about we just do the little performance video? And then
yeah. Oh, okay.
And I'll resume and then we can
Got you.
on the ground and stuff.
Cool.
Yeah. Maybe not totally, because I might not be able
Nah, I feel you on that.
But-
yeah. It's cool. Maybe how to look if you squat? Yeah, shit like that. Yeah, that's it right there. That's cool enough. That's hard. Yep. What's this? These little things. Dopeness. Hands on your leg. There you go. Look this way. All right, hold it. It hurt. All right. Turn this way a little. There you go. Dope. Grab the glasses again. Like, yeah. Alright, they're cool. We got some dope ones. Super dope.
Yeah, those are dope. I want to do one where, hold on, go back to this shot. Wait. Right here, but where it's like slightly more like this.
So, I don't know where you just did.
Like you see like where my butt is?
Yeah.
Like instead of me being like this, it would be slightly more like that so you
to
can
the
see
side?
the side, yeah.
Gotcha. Alright. You said like this, but didn't show nothing. Alright. Do something. Yeah, I was gonna say move your arm, son. There we go. Alright. Alright, hold that.